Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to another rendition of Math is Easy Step by Step. So we have another practice GED test question problem. And I'm just going to jump right on in here to it. I just want to say, if you haven't, this is the 7th example problem that I have done and created. And if you haven't seen the other 6, please, please, please do yourself a favor, go back and watch examples 1 through 6. They build the knowledge, skills, the abilities build upon each other, and it will help you answer this particular question. And examples 8, 9, 10, any more videos I might have on this particular topic. So, what is the value of angle 3, angle 5, and angle 7? So angle 3, angle 5, and angle 7. Given angle 1 is 55 degrees. So if you know your congruent angles, you know your supplementary angles, this will be a pretty easy question to answer. If you are not familiar, this could be fairly challenging. Okay, so let's just jump right into it. If I'm going a little too fast, go ahead and stop the video, pause, rewind, watch it again. That's the great thing about video. All right, so, I showed a little too much right there. Okay, so if angle 1 is 55 degrees, and you've been watching my videos, you know angle 1 plus angle 2 is a straight line, right? And a straight line, two angles in a straight line add up to 180 degrees. So you'd also know that 55, or angle 1, plus angle 3 would give you 180 degrees. Those two angles are supplementary angles, okay? You would also know that angle 1, 55 degrees, and angle 7 are also supplementary angles. They add up, 55 plus angle 7, like you see here, they add up to 180 degrees. They are supplementary angles. So in order to figure out the value of angle 7, okay, I need to set up an algebraic equation. So 55 plus, I don't know what the value of angle 7 is, equals 180 degrees. Now, if you know a number that is represented by angle 7 that you add to 55 and gives you 180, then you already know the answer. And if you know congruent angles, you can start filling in all the angles in this chart to answer your question. If you don't, then stick with me. I'm going to go through this with you and help you understand. So I want to get angle 7, or if this was X, or if this was Y, or this was Z, I want to get this all by itself. So I want to turn that 55 into a 0. This is a one-step equation. So what's the opposite of a plus 55? Minus 55. Not just to one side of the equal sign. Oh, excuse me. Pardon me. This is getting a little sloppy here. Oh, boy. Come on now. There we go. All right, back on track. The opposite of a positive 55 is a negative 55, or to subtract 55. But what you do to one side of the equal sign, you got to do to the other side. 55 minus 55 is 0. I'm left with the value. I'm left with angle 7, or X, or Y, or Z, or whatever you want to put here for the variable. Remember, a variable is just a symbol representing a real number, but we just don't know what it is. X, Y, Z, angle 7 is my variable. So 55 minus 55 is 0. The variable, angle 7, is left all by itself. That's my goal. 188 minus 55. Oh, my mental math is tough. Oh, there we go. Angle 7 is equal to 125 degrees. So I can sit here and I can say angle 7 is equal to 125 degrees. Now, where I'd like to go and I'd like to show you is using my little cheat sheet chart. I'm going to show you what angles are congruent. That means equal to in measurement each other. And then which ones are supplementary. So showing you this diagram here below, you can see, try to raise this up. Okay, you can see from my other videos as well how each angle highlighted in green is congruent to each other. And every angle highlighted in yellow is congruent to each other. So we were given the value of 55. We found the value of angle 7, right? Because both of these angles, any green with added to any yellow is supplementary. Any green added to any yellow is supplementary. That gives you 180 is equal to 180 degrees. And that's what we did to find out angle 7 was 125. So now you can fill in all of the angles based upon congruency rules, and in a few videos I'll be going over those type of rules, and you've answered the question. Angle 3, 125 degrees. Angle 5, 55 degrees. Angle 7, 125 degrees. So try to remember that those congruency rules. I've tried to highlight it to make it easier for you. Now you want to do some searches, and if you've seen this before, you could probably fast forward to the end. But here are some internet searches you can use to practice your new knowledge, skills, and abilities. You just want to type in worksheets. Oh, excuse me. Oh, pardon me. Excuse me. Worksheets with answers on finding alternating interior angles versus alternating exterior angles versus corresponding angles versus supplementary angles versus congruent angles. Those are all angles that are, except the supplementary is 180, congruent is congruent. These others are types of congruent angles. They're just the technical verbiage in mathematics that you should probably know, since math is a language. Some of the other searches you can do are worksheets with answers on solving one-step and two-step equations. Again, you want the answers because you want to know if you're doing it right or if you're doing it wrong. If you're doing it right, you just keep doing it right. If you're doing it wrong, go back, look through your steps, find your mistakes, learn from it, and don't do it again, and keep practicing. You're going to get better and better and better, I promise you. Another search, you can put in worksheets with answers to understanding obtuse versus acute angles, congruent angles versus supplementary angles versus complementary angles. So hopefully these videos have been helpful for you. If I've helped you, please help me to help others. Please like, follow, and share these videos. Math is easy. Take it step by step. Thank you for your time, your donations, your gifts. I appreciate your time. Thank you so very much.